Hi guys, welcome to Patrick Pan channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send and receive data between components in ReactJS. So this is the first fundamental that you should know if you are new to ReactJS. Okay, let's get started. Alright guys, first you need to install ReactJS application. So I'm using ReactJS. Okay, so let's see how we can send and receive data between components. So first, I need you to create another component. So I'm gonna create a new folder called components, and inside this components folder I'm gonna create a new file. So I'm gonna call it a shell. Okay, so this is our shell component. Our app component is the parent component. Okay, so here I want to send the data from parent component to shell component. Okay, let's create some data here. I'm gonna change name to data and set data. Okay, so here my data, I'm gonna using array, and inside this array I'm gonna have a object. Okay, so inside this object we have a name Patrick Pan and age 25 and web color is blue. Okay, so this is our initial data. So next we're gonna import a shell component from component folder and shell component, and I'm gonna using this component here, so like this. Okay, and next if you want to send the data from parent component to shell component, you can send or pass the data by using the props. Okay, so the props attribute in ReactJS is using to send data. You can name this prop whatever you want. Okay, so I'm gonna name it data props. Okay, and then I'm gonna send the data state to shell component like this. And when we send, so how we can receive data? Okay, it's super easy. So you can go to shell component, and I'm gonna create a component like this. Okay, you can receive the data by using props. Okay, so this parameter, it have a value or data in it. You can create some variable like data, and you can access to data by using props.data. So this name should match this name. Okay, and if you console.log, you can see the data. Okay, hit save and go back to Chrome and inspect, go to console. As you guys can see here, we got an array, and inside this array we have an object and 3 properties in here. Okay, so this is the first approach to receive the data between components by using props parameter. Okay, and the second approach, you can destructuring. Okay, you can use curly braces like this, and you can receive the props name like this. Okay, and you don't need to create a variable and store it like this. Okay, you can just destructuring like this, and just hit save and go back to Chrome. Okay, as you guys can see here, we got array and object. So this is our data. Okay, and next if you want to display the data to shell component, you can using the map method, because we have array, right? And inside this array we have an object. Okay, you can using this curly braces and bring this data parameter, and you can use optional chaining to check the data if it exists. Okay, and you can use the .map method. So the map method, we're gonna take one parameter like vol. Okay, and return. So I'm gonna return in div, and inside this div I'm gonna create a h3. So next I can access this value like name, web color, or age. Okay, so I'm gonna access by using vol parameter and dot name, and next I'm gonna create a p tag, and I'm gonna access to a age. Okay, and next is web color like this. Okay, hit save and go back to Chrome. Alright, as you guys can see here, we got our data displayed to our web page. So this is the basic on how to send and receive data between components in ReactJS. I hope this video is helpful for you guys that new to ReactJS. Okay, So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys soon in the next video.